bored. But I like the creativity of it. I mean, giving you something different to think about. So yeah, that is interesting. It's funny how things always align.
That's
But
mad cool. That's mad cool.
yeah, all right. So I'm gonna open theirs
All right.
and kind of just
And let me know if like, cause I don't know nothing about like baby clothes, nothing like that. So you let me know like how you think it would even kind of sort of fit. And
uh, here we go. Yeah, no, this looks good actually. This looks like it. I think it'll fit her now. No, that's
word.
not gonna fit her now because it's a little wider. But this is gonna fit her probably in the next, like I say, 2 months.
Hey, she grow into it. That's what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah, 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 which is cool because I know you don't got kids necessarily, but babies grow fast. So
Yeah.
oh wait, I'm going this way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right there, a little higher.
Uh,
And so
and
that's the
then that's
front.
that's the logo. And I thought this was simple. I thought some of the stuff like on the page was like not age appropriate. So
Of course, of
I
course.
yeah, so I had to find the most age appropriate stuff for them. So I think this is perfect and it represents your logo. Love gray. I think she'll love it. And when she get old enough to understand, I will tell her that Uncle K Rail made this shirt. So I like this
That's
joint.
fire.
Yeah, we're gonna get her in that, and when we get her in that, I'll send you a picture. You can't put it on the, or
Okay,
you can
okay,
put it on without her face. We don't put our kid's face on the internet.
okay, okay. Yeah, like with any pictures and any all this stuff, just let me know like what is and
Yeah,
what's
I'll let
not.
I'll let you know what and what not. For me and Chelsea though, I think we'll probably end up wearing these on like a date or something. We'll do like a fun date, probably wear it
Now
to the.
add
So
the little
this is
photo shoot to it. That'd be all right.
Yeah, so this is a young boy shirt. By the way, the quality of the shirt is really good too. It's like it's thick. I like t-shirt nobody like a flimsy t-shirt, like a loose t-shirt that feel like you make one wrong move and you might rip through it or something. Like that's not so
Paper.
the quality of the shirts are really good so
Yeah, that
far.
ain't fire.
Yeah, this joint, and I like this joint. I mean, I like the Pokemon joint on front. It's funny the character, not the personality of the character, but the character looking at the character reminds me of my son
Why
because
you
he's
say that?
small still, but like he just he's starting to turn into a little kid, like a little boy. He's starting to get little kind of like muscles on him and stuff like that.
Word.
And then I love obviously that's Muhammad Ali, correct? Yeah, I'm not
For
tripping.
sure.
Yeah, Muhammad Ali. Like you can't never go wrong with Muhammad Ali. Um, so I think he'll like that. I actually want to get him into either like boxing or
Hey,
kickboxing. Yeah, yeah,
these going into the archives if he be a boxer for real, he got this
yeah,
shirt on,
yeah,
bro.
yeah. Yeah,
He like, bro, Ben, since I was
once he get like he's probably like another year or so away from like really starting to do like um organized activities like sports because kids attention span be like
yeah.
so this is fire. Love that. I'll do wifey next. Like I said, I love the sand color, and I thought this was something that we could match with. Like I'm in that phase of life. I'm married, so we always,
That phase
whenever
of
we step
life.
out together, we always thinking about how we can match.
For sure, for sure.
But again, love this. I think this is the medium is a big shirt, so she'll be able to dress this up.
Oversized.
Yeah, it's oversized. So, and I know she going. My wife can, she can dress. Again, this is your classic logo.
Yeah, yeah. Graffiti
Um,
jungle, yeah.
yep. And the back
Say
is
that.
the back one is the back part is white, so it's good. I
Subtle
think the colors
tones.
are neutral. She could probably toss this on some jeans. She can tie it up. She can toss it on with a skirt and or some shorts in the summertime. Like she could probably freak this in many
I
ways.
can't wait, bro. I can't wait, bro.
Yeah,
I
she could
can't
probably toss
wait.
a she could toss like a little jacket over it. I could see how I know she's gonna freak it. So this is fire, bro. And again, great quality. I love the I love the thick collars too. Like that's like the new wave, the thick collars.
Yeah.
Um, so that's a good look. Toss some jewelry on with it, you know what I mean? So that's fire. And then my shirt, and I'm gonna try mine more after I show it.
Yo.
You talking about did I have a knife or something? I just rip this joint open, bro. And then my joint, heavy oversized situation.
Sheesh.
And this, let me bring it up.
Yeah, that's clean. That's
Yeah,
clean.
so I love this one for multiple reasons. Obviously, like you said, I didn't realize or know that this was that movie or whatever, so that's cool. Um, but what I